Hey guys, Tyler here again with Game On Fishing. This week I wanted to talk to you guys about another one of my favorite knots. This knot is great for tying two lines together, monofilament or fluorocarbon to braided line, the Alberto Knot. Alright, so first thing you'll do is take your monofilament or fluorocarbon and double it over. Make your loop, give yourself plenty of tag in. Then you'll take your braid, you run it through the loop. So once you've run it through the loop, you'll wind it around that loop 7 times. 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, so once I've done that, I'll run it back towards the loop another 7 twists. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now after I've done that, I'm going to take the tag into that braid and I'm going to go out the hole opposite the direction I went in. So if I went in this side, you're going to go out that side. So take that tag, go out the hole, and then pull all 4 ends, and then both main lines, and there it is, the Alberto Knot. I really hope you guys enjoyed this week's episode of Wednesday Weekly Wisdom with Game On Fishing. Don't forget to subscribe on YouTube and like us on Instagram at Game On Fishing. And as always, tight lines and game on.